before we will see the concept of shifting, scaling and reversal. And next, in the next problem, we will see the concept for the scaling, reversal and as well as the shifting. Now let's move on to the another type, that will be the scaling, shifting and reversal. The given question be like this. Before question only I will be take. In the before question, what we will get the output, that will be the 1 by 2 and 2. If we swap the operations, we will get the same output or not, we have to check. You must have to get the same output. Conclusion be like that. Here first what they will be asked, you have to do the scaling, and next here this will be the shifting, and next this will be the reversal. I will be directly solved this question. If you can't get to know this question, please watch my previous videos carefully, then you will get to know very well. First thing, you have to do the scaling. This was the plot they will be given. Here the scaling parameter be the 2. Okay, 2 be the scaling parameter. How we can write the scaling parameter? Here f of t, in place of t we have to replace the t with at. What will happen? This will become the f of a t. Here a be the scaling parameter. A be the scaling parameter. In this question, what will be the scaling parameter? The scaling parameter be the 2 in this problem. 2 be the scaling parameter. So apply the scaling parameter. What we have to done? So here this will be the f of t, and here this will be the t. Here this will become the -1 and here 2. So f of 2t. So whenever you see the multiplication here, you have to do the division. Whenever you see the division here, you have to do the multiplication. So in this question, what we have to see? This will be the multiplication. So in the plot, we have to do the division. Here, what we get? If you divide it, this will be the -1 divided by 2, and here this will be the 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 means we will get the 1. So f of 2t be the -1 divided by 2 and 1. So we just completed the scaling. Now let's move on to the shifting. What will happen to the output when we shift it? Let's see that. So next be the shifting. Here how much we will get? We will get the -1 divided by 2 and 1. This will be the f of 2t. But what we have to do? We have to do the f of 2t plus 3. Shifting means whether it may be the right shift or the left shift. We have to see the conditions here. And here this will be output for the scaling. So our conclusion would be the f of 2t plus 3. What will happen? Let's see. This will be the -1 divided by 2, and here this will be the 1, and this will be the t, this will be the t. Here here you can observe one thing. We have to take the 2 common. What will happen? So f of 2t plus 3, right? Here in this f of, take the 2 common, this will become the t plus 3 by 2. Now this bracket value will be equal to 0. Make it. What will happen? T plus 3 by 2, that will be equal to 0. T is equal to minus 3 by 2. Substitute this t is equal to minus 3 by 2 here. What will happen? So here minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, and here 1 minus 3 by 2. So here minus 1 minus 3 divided by 2, that will be the minus 4 divided by 2, that will become the minus 2. How much we will get? We will get the minus 2, and here this will be the 2 minus 3 divided by 2, that will be equal to minus 1 divided by 2, right? How much we will get? We will get the minus 1 divided by 2. So our final answer be the, for the shifting, this will be the time period t, this will be the f of 2t plus 3. How much we will get? We will get the how much we will get? We will get the minus 1 divided by 2, and here this will be the minus 2. Now we can complete the our shifting also. Next what we have to do? We have to do the reversal. What will happen? When you see the, here this will be the minus symbol. When you see this minus symbol, what you have to do? You have to do the reversal operation. Whenever you do the reversal operation for this f of 2t plus 3, what you will get? Let's see. This will be the next reversal, right? Next be the reversal. Here this will be the f of minus 2t plus 3. So here left side value, take it to the right hand side value. If you see the this plot be in the right hand side, you have to just flip the plot. Okay, here this will become the plus 1 by 2, and here 2. Here you can observe one thing clearly. In the previous method also we will get the same answer, that will be the 1 by 2 and the 2. And here if we swap the operations also, we will get the same output, 1 by 2 and 2. Hence our answer will be the right. Okay. In the next problem, we will try to take the one more swap, whether we will get the same answer or not. Okay. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.